Al-Shir from Central Asia.
Assimalhakeem, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam wa barakatuh.
I live in a country where keeping a beard is a bit sensitive. Those with full beards are often targeted and labeled and persecuted by the government. I was recently also taken to a police station and pressured to shave it, but I just managed my way out. But was forced to trim it just to avoid trouble. Is it permissible to keep the beard trimmed under these conditions? And what should I do if it happens again? And I'm sure that it will be demanded from me, like for getting passport or driving license. Barakallahu fikum.
Ufikum barakallah. Unfortunately, there are countries that oppress Muslims in Central Asia, without naming them, and the rulers and the authorities there still embrace and believe in the Russian ideology and communism and oppressing those who follow the religion of Allah, either out of their disbelief or their hypocrisy or any other reason. As a Muslim, we're obliged to obey Allah Azza wa Jal. If there is a threat because of following the rules of Allah Azza wa Jal, Allah tells us to tolerate and to be patient. Once the threat becomes a real imminent danger of prosecution, persecution, of punishment physically or harming you physically, in this case, Alhamdulillah, Allah has given us the concession to choose the lesser of the two evils. So if trimming it is fine with them, we do it until the harm and the danger is gone. And if one has the ability to migrate, he must leave that oppressive country, because it's a country of disbelief and it shows enmity towards the religion of Allah and towards Muslims who are practicing the religion. May Allah make things easy for those living.